Good morning, class.
Good morning,
teacher.
How are you doing?
Yeah.
Today we are on 17th December 225.
Yes.
2025. So my names are Fabrice with the leg number 22 392 57. I'm a teacher by now. I want to show you how you can teach this topic called skin depth. But let me start by a question. Let me ask you, class. When you transmit electricity, do you think it uses the whole wire or part of the wire? When you transmit electricity or radio signals, what do you think? Does it use the whole wire or it uses the part of it? Who can answer? Yes?
Thank you so much for that question. For me, I think it uses the whole wire.
Okay. Why?
Because I think electricity, it can't take only a half of wire in order to transmit from one place to another. It needs a whole wire so that the resistor you connect on the wire can acquire that electricity.
Okay, thank you. So we know how much or how deep the current uses of that wire in this lesson. But we are going now to see how we can teach this lesson. So, next. So we are going to see how we can teach skin depth. What is skin depth? Skin depth is a critical topic in electrodynamics, explaining how electromagnetic waves attenuate inside the conducting materials. What are electromagnetic waves? I think we know them. The electromagnetic spectrum, those waves. So attenuate the loss, and then conducting materials like copper, aluminum, etc. So we are going to see how these electromagnetic waves, how deep they attenuate, as they are being transmitted in the conducting materials. So let me welcome the next presenter to talk about how we can deeply teach this lesson of skin depth, how electromagnetic attenuate in conducting materials. Thank you.
Good morning. How are you?
We are fine.
Okay, I'm by the name of Yomuchiza Aris with the leg number 2235688. So I'm going to continue with our topic, which is called the skin depth. So the concept of fundamental necessary for teaching skin depth. The first one is electromagnetic behavior in conductors. You know that our presenter talked about how the electromagnetism, how it is. So I'm going to proceed electromagnetic behavior in conductors. A student must understand the conductor behavior for a child that interacts with the incoming electromagnetic waves, causing energy observation and attenuation. Our first presenter talked how electromagnetic transfer and how it attenuation. A relationship between frequency and penetration. The higher frequency shower penetration and lower frequency deep penetration. So, and the third point is physical meaning of attenuation. Those are fundamental necessary. How can we teach the skin depth? Physical meaning of attenuation, energy loss reduced, and how they deteriorated, how it is skin depth and energy, how it is rated. Thank you. I'm going to welcome the other presenter and continue how it is different.
Good morning, everyone. By the name of Latin Mukabiza with the number 222-332 and 36. So I'm continuing on the common misconception about skin depth. someone note that the different statement as to, but it is not true. The first statement, skin depth, someone note that current allow flow uniformly through a wire, but it is not true because the current flow uniformly due to the kind of conductor. Like in good conductor, direct current flow uniformly due to skin depth and skin effect absent. The lesson one is this statement is not true. Skin effect does not cause current flow uniformly in direct current. At the second statement, conductor allow waves to pass easily without losing energy. This statement is not correct because conductor flow easily due to the different types of conductor. In a good conductor, current flow easily because it is not resist flow. In the poor conductor, like iron conductor, that means in iron or carbon, current can flow difficultly because in poor conductor resist the flow. At the start, statement attenuation means reflection about but not absorption. It is not true because this statement is not true because attenuation is the reduction in the amplitude or power of wave until it propagates through a medium. So in the conductor, does attenuate mean only reflection? In the conductor, attenuation occurs mainly because of absorption. Do you understand?
Yes.
And the fourth statement, high frequency leads deeper penetration. This statement is incorrect because high frequency leads greater attenuation. Why? Penetration of electromagnetic wave into conductor is measured by skin depth. According to the formula of skin depth, the formula of skin depth is equal to 2 over angular new conductivity. This skin depth is appropriate to the angular frequency. Angular frequency equal to 2 pi f. When frequency increase, angular frequency increase. And when angular frequency increase, it equals skin depth decrease. When we have smaller skin depth, it can cause less penetration. So it is the reason why this statement it is not true. Higher frequency can lead to deeper penetration. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Jean Damour Zimana. I'm going to continue our presentation. We break number 22-300-3465. Yeah, now we're going to continue with pedagogical foundations for teaching skill. Here, there are the different pedagogical foundations for teaching skill. The first one is constructivism. Everyone, he or she knows constructivism. Okay? Who remind us constructivism theory? Anyone? Yes? Okay. Thanks a lot. Yeah, in teaching skin depth, we use this theory constructivism, where the learners drift meaning from the prior understanding of connector and intuition about observation and the energy loss. The second pedagogical foundation is equal-based learning. Here in equal-based learning, a teacher uses a guiding question to help learners to acquire the understanding of this concept of skin depth. Okay?
Okay.
The third one is demonstration-based learning. Here in the demonstration-based learning, teacher use some manipulation or short experiment to explain this concept. Okay?
Okay.
Let's continue. The fourth one is the presentation switching. Here, a teacher uses some diagrams like when a electromagnetic wave comes from here and reach here as a conductor. It means that it's attenuate. Okay? When it's attenuate, the amplitude is reducing. This diagram is help learners to acquire this concept in simple way. Okay?
Okay.
The last point on the foundation pedagogical of teaching the skin depth is 5 is the traditional model. This 5 is help the learners to acquire this concept by step, where teachers start by engaging learners. After engaging learners, they explore this skin depth. After exploring this skin depth, the learners they present what they have acquired in exploring phase, and the teacher explaining and correcting the misconception they faced during the exploring phase. Okay?
Yes.
The fourth phase is called elaboration. Elaboration here, the learners and the teacher share the difference or the real application of this concept in real world. Okay? The third phase is evaluation. Here, the teacher check if their learning objective have acquired or achieved. Yeah, let me invite another presenter to continue.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
My name is Konda Fuja. We break number 22, 30, 19, 57, 8. Okay? So let's come up with teaching strategy of skin depth. Those are strategies which we refer to provide lesson during class. First point is to begin from real life situation. This is the demonstration you can do in class in order to help students to understand what's going on in the lesson of skin depth. You will start with a real life situation which is students already know about. So you can introduce the attenuation law. So the step 2 is the mathematical derivation through guided practical. Yeah, in this lesson we see the mathematical expression. So you start with let's continue our presentation. Let's go on the point 3, which is the strategy 3 is demonstration and simple experiment. You can explain this skin of death reason by using demonstration or simple experiment. So another one is the problem solving by giving the student some problem to work on. They can understand this skin of death. Another one is collaborative learning activities, making the groups and giving them some work. They can work on this skin of death and help them to understand it clearly. The last one, after giving them those assignments, after explaining this skin of death, you can sum up with giving them assessment. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good morning once again.
Good morning.
My name is Joel. I will share with grade number 22300366. So, as a conclusion, teaching this concept of skinny death will require different combination of different methods. So, by explaining, we can use mathematical derivation, ISP2, and practical demonstration. By integrating inquiry-based learning, analogies, simulation, and problem solving. So as a teacher, you have to start on concrete, then semi-concrete, then to abstract. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay. Unless if there are some questions, we can handle them. But so as a conclusion, okay, how can we answer that guiding question that you started with? Does really the electricity being transmitted in the wire, the whole wire or part of it? What is the answer of that question? Come again. Okay. When we transmit electricity into the wire, does it require the whole part of the wire to be transmitted into all part of it, according to this in-depth concept? As we've seen, there happens attenuation. That's why we've said that actually at higher frequencies, it just require Rito surface or Rito depth. So it like flows to the surfaces, not going deeper, unless there is low frequency, because it depends on like angular frequency, conductivity, and magnetic permeability. So is there any questions? Okay, thank you. That's the end of our presentation.
Yes.